The other day someone asked me why I don't have saggy, droopy skin at 53 years old. And they were also asking what procedures I've had done, what lasers, surgery, all different things like that. Now, first of all, I personally don't think 53 is old, but I'm sure some younger people will assume that 53 is old. I know when I was in my 20s and 30s, I thought 50s seemed ancient. Full disclaimer, I do get Botox in my forehead. I haven't had it for like 4 months, but I don't get it from like a cosmetic type doctor or med spa for wrinkles, which it helps with wrinkles, but I get it for my migraines. So I get the injections all around here, the back of my head, the back of my neck, my shoulders, and then they do 3 injections right here. And I've been getting it for, I don't know, 20 some years to help prevent the migraines after my spinal surgery. And it does actually help prevent the amount of migraines. But, you know, after having it so many years, that's why I don't really have wrinkles in my forehead. But I think she was more so talking about like jowls and sagginess, you know, all throughout the rest of my face. I've never had Botox or anything anywhere else on my face except for in my forehead. But I've never had any around my eyes, no fillers. These are my real cheeks, believe it or not. And I've never had lasers, nothing like that, because I have a condition called, it's not a condition, it's a hyperpigmentation, and mine is called melasma, and it's mostly triggered with hormones, heat, sun, things like that. So I do have melasma up here. I also wear hats constantly, and the friction from the hats or the heat building up, that can also make the melasma darker. And then I do have a little melasma here and here. And I do have a little smidgy of a jowl forming, but you know, I do have very firm skin. When I pinch my skin does pop right back into place. It is very firm skin. So other than having a good consistent skincare routine every single day, and of course being really obnoxious with sunscreen, I wear a lot of sunscreen. If you are not new to my channel, you will know that I pile on my sunscreen, and I do reapply throughout the day. So to me, that's like the #1 thing to help with the control of my hyperpigmentation and melasma. But wearing sunscreen also helps protect the skin from the damaging UV rays that break down our collagen. And what's the point in even spending money on skincare if we're not even protecting our skin from those damaging rays that will break down the collagen and make our face start sagging and drooping and having wrinkles and more pigment and all of that good stuff. So sunscreen first and foremost. But the one product that always pops into my mind when someone says, how do you keep your skin so firm? There is one product, and those of you that have been with me a long time, you're already gonna know what I'm gonna say, but it's my 𝑠kin_MEDICA, their advanced growth factor serum. This is from the makers of Botox. This is like the Mac Daddy of all growth factor serums. When I first incorporated this into my routine in my 40s, and if you're in your 20s or 30s, I personally don't think you need to use something like this because you probably don't have deeper wrinkles, texture, sagging, drooping, and all of that. But if you want something to really kind of supercharge your skincare routine and you're in maybe your late 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, and you kind of want to take your skin to that next level and see, in my opinion, really drastic, quite fast changes in your skin, this to me, it's a holy grail. I had started using this product, I don't know, maybe 8 years ago, and it was the only thing I incorporated into my routine. And I would say maybe 2 to 3 weeks after I started using it, I walked by a mirror and I literally was like, oh my gosh, I have to take a double take. I was shocked at what I saw. I noticed my skin looked really firm. People were saying things like, what are you doing to your skin? Your skin looks really firm, and why don't you really have texture on your skin, and where are your wrinkles? And you know, I do have some fine lines and little wrinkles, of course, when I make an expression, but I don't have any deep set wrinkles. And I feel like as I'm aging, my skin just keeps getting better and better and better. I have not stopped using this since, well, correction, I have tried to stop using it for 3, 4, 5 months, and then I start to notice a little bit of sagging, just my skin doesn't look as youthful. So I always go back to this product because there's just nothing else like this on the market. Now, if you are already a 𝑠kin_MEDICA Advanced TNS Growth Factor user, you already know. You know that this is the Mac Daddy, the best of the best, just nothing else compares. But just to be honest, I do think it's expensive, so I never ever pay full price for this. So I wanted to share it because you guys who watch my channel always ask me, please, please, please tell me as soon as there's a big sale on this. and it's on a huge sale right now. I will leave the discount code and the link down below if you wanted to take advantage of this huge sale. I'm gonna go ahead and stock up on a few more because I can't imagine they're gonna have another big sale like this probably until Black Friday. So if this is something you've been eyeing, but of course you're like me and you do not want to pay full price for, now might be a great time to pick it up. Now, to make it super simple and not go into deep science, because I realize that some people find it kind of boring when I go in great detail, but basically this is just a growth factor serum. This helps our skin cells to regenerate, which will help reveal more youthful, healthy skin. There's a ton of research and studies on this. Again, this is from the makers of Botox, but it's also chock full of antioxidants, peptides, and other amazing ingredients that I've gone in great detail in many other videos, so I'll make sure to pop up another detailed video on this product if you want to learn more. Now, this is their new packaging. This is their original packaging, and they changed the packaging, which I do really like, because the original packaging, it was silver and white, and I have the patio door open, so it might be a little bright, but I think that hopefully you can see this. But the original packaging, it had one pump, but it had two little holes in it, and so when you would push it down, you have one side that has the growth factor and the other side that has all of the good antioxidants, peptides, and all that good stuff. On the other side, I've never had an issue, but some people have complained that when they would push it, only one side would come out and not the other side. So 𝑐𝑻𝑯𝑬𝑹 says that you just tap it upside down like this, I don't know, a few times, and then, or sometimes I just store it like this, so maybe that's why I never had an issue. And then when you go to pump it out, both sides will pump out. But they changed the new packaging, which I think a lot of people who were annoyed that they could only get one side out sometimes, I think that you guys are gonna love the new packaging, because you still have those two separate sides, one with the beautiful anti-aging, antioxidant peptide serum on one side, and then you have the super potent growth factor on the other side. But instead of pushing one pump, it has two separate pumps now. So you can pump out as much as you want of each. The formula is the same. It's absolutely luxurious and amazing. Something that is super duper important, since this is a growth factor serum, that molecule is a little bit bigger than, you know, say another product that you might use. So you want to make sure there's nothing, you don't want to have other serums and moisturizers blocking the penetration of this, especially when it's this expensive. So I make sure, and this is the best way to use it, I make sure that after I cleanse my skin, I don't put on a milky toner or one of my favorite other serums for dark spots, no moisturizer, nothing like that. This goes on clean skin. Now, sometimes I'll leave my face damp after washing it, or I'll just mist it with like my 𝑽𝑰𝑫𝑬𝑃 thermal spring water. But the trick is, it works best if you put it on clean skin with no other serums, lotions, or potions on first. I feel like this is just that one product that really gives such remarkable results, but I'm often hesitant to share it in many of my skincare routines, mainly because of the price. So I pretty much will only share it when it's on a huge sale, just because I am very sensitive to that. I understand that. But if you ever see me share something in a video and you're like, that's just not my budget, I need something more affordable, just leave me a comment. I try to reply to almost everyone. If you leave a comment the first day, sometimes the second day of a video going up, I will 99% of the time reply to you. But if you leave a comment days or weeks, months after a video, I just may not see that comment. But I'm here to help. I'm always happy to help give you alternatives or help you with your skincare routine. Again, I'm not a doctor, not an esthetician. I just know what works great for my skin. And as always, make sure you talk to your doctor or your esthetician for what's best for your beautiful face. And again, I know this question comes up often. I do not do sponsored videos. I never have, I never will, but I do use affiliate links in most of my videos. There's never any pressure to use my links, but of course, if you do, thank you very much. I really, really appreciate it. But you could just Google products that you're interested in. And I did pay for this with my own money. I have actually never been gifted this product. I wish they would. I do get gifted some products from different brands, but I've never been gifted this. If you're confused on how to layer skincare products that you own, I'm gonna pop that other video up here if you wanted to click on it and check it out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.